One morning in Pixie Hollow, Tinker Bell awoke to find the world around her turned a dull gray. The vibrant colors that once painted the landscape had vanished overnight. Alarmed, she fluttered from flower to flower, searching for answers. After a quick visit to Queen Clarion, Tinker Bell learned that the legendary Rainbow Stone, the source of all colors in Pixie Hollow, was missing. Determined to restore the magic, Tinker Bell decided to embark on a quest to find it. Tinker Bell, hooted Ollie, a trail of shimmering stardust will guide you to the lost rainbow, but only if you can solve the first riddle. What is bright without the sun and colorful with no hue? Pondering, Tinker Bell recalled how joy and laughter often brightened even the gloomiest days. It's a smile, she answered confidently. Correct, Ollie declared, pointing her towards the stardust trail. As she followed the sparkling path, Tinker Bell encountered a family of giggling pixie frogs painting designs on mushroom caps. They shared a clue with her. To open the rainbow's gate, you must find a heart that's golden bright. Tinker Bell moved swiftly, her mind spinning with the possibility. In Friendship Glen, she stumbled upon a sprite named Sunny, known for his humor and golden heart. When Tinker Bell explained her quest, Sunny gifted her a tiny piece of his golden heart, a magical pebble filled with laughter and joy. Continuing her journey, Tinker Bell arrived at the entrance of a cavern, where the stardust ended. She placed Sunny's golden heart pebble on the door's etched stone, which burst open in a dazzling array of colors. Inside lay the rainbow stone, glimmering with all the hues of Pixie Hollow. With the rainbow stone firmly in her grasp, Tinker Bell returned triumphantly to Pixie Hollow. Colors rippled back across the landscape, reviving every petal and tree. As the air filled with cheers and laughter, Tinker Bell realized her journey was special not because of the colors restored, but because of the friendships formed along the way. Pixie Hollow shimmered more brightly than ever under its renewed, colorful sky, a testament to the true magic that lives in friendship and kindness born from shared adventures.